All right, as you can see, this is my onions, so I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna turn it again and allow you to cover it and give it 15 minutes to boil. Okay, watch me as I turn this. I'm gonna turn it, turn it well. Let it season. You can see I'm putting, this is when I'm putting it in my air fryer. This is a one set. And this is my roast. And it's gonna roast. So I'm going to wait for it. 27 minutes, I will bring it out. And it's gonna be well done. It's very yummy. Thank you.